Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who loves designing in Canva but always gets frustrated when you can't figure out how to indent your text just right, well, today's video is definitely for you. I'm going to show you a super simple way to add indents to your text boxes in Canva, even though it isn't always obvious how to do it in their editor. By the end, you'll be able to format your text exactly how you want it, giving your designs that extra touch of polish and professionalism. Let's jump right in. First, go to Canva.com, just like you usually would, or open the Canva app if you prefer working on your phone or tablet. Canva is pretty intuitive, but I always find it helpful to make sure I'm starting with the right kind of design canvas. Once you're on Canva, look toward the top right and click Create a Design. This is where you'll choose what size you want your workspace to be. For this demonstration, I recommend using a custom size that's easy to work with. So click Custom Size, and for this example, let's set it to 100 pixels wide by 50 pixels tall. Now, these numbers aren't set in stone. Feel free to adjust based on the layout you want, but smaller sizes keep things manageable as you're practicing. After you set those numbers, hit Create New Design. Canva will open up your blank canvas. This is your playground, ready for whatever you want to create. Next, let's add some text. On the left sidebar, you should see the text option. Give that a click. Now you can select something like add a heading or add a subheading, but for this example, any text box will work. Type out a simple sentence, maybe something like, "This is my example sentence." This is just a placeholder, so feel free to use any text you like. Okay, now comes the part that might surprise you. It's time to indent. Canva doesn't have a traditional indent button like you might see in Microsoft Word, which can be a little confusing at first, but don't worry, there's an easy workaround. Click at the very start of your sentence, right before the first letter. Now on your keyboard, press the space bar a few times. Each space you add is like pushing the words further away from the left edge, creating your indent. It's kind of like adding little invisible blocks of air before your text. Add as many spaces as you like until you're happy with how far in your sentence sits. There's no magic number here, just go with what looks balanced for your design. If you ever add too many, you can always backspace and adjust. A quick tip as you're doing this: depending on the font you're using, the width of each space might look slightly different, so experiment a little if you want your indents to match across different text boxes. And remember, this doesn't just work for the first line, you can use the same trick for any line you want to indent. And that's really all there is to it. Simple, right? Sometimes the easiest solutions just involve a small trick, and the spacebar is your secret tool for indents in Canva. If you found this quick tutorial helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up to let me know. And if you have any questions about Canva or there's another design hack you want to see, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more easy, practical design tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.